Understanding bare essentials, simplified for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, bare essentials. This phrase pops up in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the English language. So, let's get started. Bare essentials refers to the most basic and necessary components of something. The word bare here means only the minimum, and essentials means things that are absolutely necessary. Imagine you're packing for a trip and you take only what you absolutely need. That's packing the bare essentials. To understand better, let's look at some examples. Packing for a camping trip. I only packed the bare essentials for the trip: a tent, a sleeping bag, and some food. Minimalist living. She believes in a minimalist lifestyle, keeping only the bare essentials in her home. These examples show how the phrase is used in different contexts to convey the idea of minimalism or necessity. Let's practice using this phrase. 1. When you're on a tight budget, you learn to live with just the bare essentials. 2. The emergency kit contains the bare essentials: water, food, and first aid supplies. Try creating your own sentences using bare essentials. And that's a wrap on bare essentials. Remember, it's all about the most basic and necessary things. I hope this video helps you in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you next time.